Our topic name is Experimental Investigation on Circular Lightweight Concrete, presented by Angel Pondian, design artist Vishal Hariprasad, guided by Mr. Wallace Brahman. Introduction. Foam concrete is also termed as CLC, Circular Lightweight Concrete, across the world with its greater advantages. Foam concrete is demonstrated its superior performance with its greater technical, economical, environmental strength, advantages, its unique characteristics when compared to normal concrete.
Need for specific study. Lack of research work is keeping the wider usage of foam concrete and its introduction to other areas of civil engineering, and also no widely accepted mixed design method. To increase the potential use and the specification of foam concrete as building blocks with fly ash replacement. Objective: to develop reputable bricks to make foam concrete blocks which can economically replace burnt clay bricks. To determine the effect of fly ash on compressive strength of foam concrete under different percentages. To determine the effect of marble dust on compressive strength density of foam concrete under different percentages.
Methodology. The measuring material and mixing of concrete and make stable foam and pour foam into concrete mixed material properties around 10 minutes, casting, testing and result analysis. The combination of foam concrete blocks. Combination cement, fly ash, foam 25 ml proportion 1:2, Simbus BA, and cement plus fly ash, corridor foam 50 ml and the proportion 1:1.5 is to 0.5, and cement plus fly ash plus foam 45 ml 1:2 the proportions. And next one is the preparation of cellular lightweight concrete blocks. Allocation of raw material for the preparation of foam concrete blocks. Cement, fly ash, corridor and protein based foaming actually used for preparation and stable foam. For 1 liter of foam solution, the 36 liter of water can be added for the stable foam. And as a small scale experimental investigation, the foaming generation process is done by the drilling equipment, and foam is generated by raising to 4 times the height of the foam solution. Next one is the prepared stable foam is added into the concrete, and it tends formation of airware in the concrete and reduce the weight of concrete. And the prepared foam concrete is cast tube size is 150 mm into 150 mm into 150 mm. The casted tubes are subjected to curing and checked for the compressive strength of 7, 14 and 28 days.
Advantages. CFC, like conventional concrete, ages well, increasing its strength by a 50% between 28 and 90 days after pouring. As long as CFC draws humidity from the atmosphere, it will keep on increasing its mechanical properties. Savings in handling and transportation costs. Possibility of additional floors on old structures. CFC blocks are 7 times the size of traditional bricks, with results in substantial savings in cement due to fewer joints compared to brickwork and finished plaster work. Due to the numerous micropores in CLC, it has a very low thermal conductivity and makes an excellent thermal insulation material. CLC blocks are non-combustible and has a melting point of approximately 1500 degrees centigrade, much higher than other building materials. CLC blocks have natural acoustic insulation due to its aerated structure and have superior sound absorption properties in comparison with other materials. CLC blocks have proven earthquake resistance due to its lightweight and porous cells which have buildings from major sources. It is easy to install with precision. It can be sawn, drilled, nailed and glued, etc. on site by masons using simple working tools.
We have done detailed estimation for comparing the burnt clay bricks and foam blocks. This is the plan. We propose the plan. These are the abstract estimate we done while estimating it. First class brickwork in foundation 26.1 cubic meter. First class brickwork in superstructure 45.75 cubic meter. These are the value comparison of cost conventional hollow bricks and foam concrete blocks. The number of first class bricks 35,925. Traditional bricks cost rupees 3,59,250. Hollow bricks cost 28,07,400. Foam concrete brick cost rupees 1,79,625. From the analysis, it is inferred that the cost of foam brick blocks is in construction instead of burnt clay bricks. Project cost is saved nearly 50%. In the case of foam concrete brick blocks with hollow brick blocks, projected cost is saved nearly 30%. Thank you.